Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to make an AI video either out of pictures or out of texts. So it's either a text that you're going to put in for the prompt or you're just going to do a video here. So we're going to go to this website. We're going to go to create. We're going to do text to video. We're going to say anything here. Let's say City of Chicago. Then we're going to type in boats on the lake. And then it's going to generate the video right here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. So I'm going to pause the video and then I'm going to resume it when it's done. Alright, the video is done and we're going to go ahead and click into it. It says 100% complete. So we're going to see the video here of Chicago. And they're 5-second videos, so don't expect anything like a 30-second video or a 5-minute video, but this is what AI can do with just a few simple texts. So I hope you enjoy. Please again rate and subscribe. Thank you.